What is up, you guys? It is Keith here with Stockhours, bringing you another live trade recap. Today I am going to cover the trades I took on SPY on Monday, September 12th, 2022. So I'm going to let this trade play out for you, and then the recap will be at the end. Thanks for watching. SPY is coming up here. I'm looking at this 409.50.
That's beautiful.
Nice. It's literally selling as it breaks here. Beautiful. Maybe like 20 or 19 or something like that. Yeah, 19.
Or 15s right here on ES.
What'd you say?
41.15s right here on ES.
Oh shit, I don't even have my contracts ready because I replaced it with Tesla right there.
It looked like it failed so far, so you still have time.
With me. We had the 305s ready from the morning. Nice. I know a lot of people are looking at other things, but Tesla was beautiful right there.
SPY rejected right from that 1 minute trend.
Yeah, it's sick. Yeah, SPX is right there. Oh look, I gotta. If I was to play, yeah, I don't know.
That 1 minute trend's kind of sketch.
Yeah, that's a little slippery.
Risky.
Right there. Yeah.
The 5-minute looks so clean with this. God.
Yo, Frankie, talk real quick.
Yep.
Oh, I was just making sure the desktop audio was fine.
What up, cuz?
It's new highs on Tesla. It's actually sick play. Like, it's a very nice setup right now.
ES is there as well.
That was Tesla. It just made a new high, right, Benji?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I'm actually happy I didn't play that. Like, I just don't want to. Like, it looks like it paid, but I just don't want to play that right now.
I tried it with one contract.
Why is
Was
it
it
better?
fine?
Why is ahead of NQ for the pre-market high?
Yeah.
Bounced right off the pre-market high like the penny.
Honestly, it's too slippery for me to play this type of play. I mean, just with that trend there.
800 is an important level on NQ. So that's something to look out for as well. We're 20 points away from that.
Wait, say that again?
12,800 on NQ is important.
Yeah, see, that pullback could hurt for someone like me that's in with like so many contracts and I need to get filled.
Yeah, that's brutal.
I just can't be part of that.
Contracts didn't flip anything crazy too, and I got in at 41.14, so
yeah,
you didn't miss much on that.
Netflix is kind of just flirting with that high again. I just don't know if that's for me.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna chill off of Netflix as well.
Bro, Netflix is off the open play. Like, literally off the open. You know the plays that we don't play because it's off the open? Those are the Netflix killers. Yo, Tesla just made a new high with the pullback. Oh, I haven't looked at flow. Let's see. Oh, yeah. They spam Tesla.
Really? Dang.
Yeah. At 9:41. Nah, they're late, though.
Oh.
Yeah, that's a minute late after that big candle. So that still means they're interested.
Wow. 305, bro.
So that's what they're looking for right here.
That's insane.
That's funny. So I got out on the candle they got in at.
That's interesting.
I got out on a 304 break. They
There
got
we
in
go.
on 304. You heard Frankie?
Yeah.
So basically, I got out on a 304 break. They got in, and obviously heavier than me.
I'm just watching Netflix. I just want to see what Netflix does. It has good volume behind this.
It just made a new high, right?
Yeah, this is where I would play it. I'm not in, but this is where I would have played it. So I'm just seeing what would happen. This is just screen time I'm trying to get right now.
By the way, I already dropped today's thing in there.
Oh, you did? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay,
I had one from Friday, but it wasn't that good. Today's obviously better. Yes, on Friday I caught like one of my little plays.
Alright, for sure. Okay, I'm sending Keith a message here in a bit. I'm not sure if he isn't trading live, but
Nah, I was just letting you know.
Buy really wants the pre-market high here.
It does, and it's trying to suck us all in. I think.
it's just taking too long.
Nah, those wicks are scary. I swear to God.
That's not something I want to be a part of.
And I don't want to be 600 contracts deep in the wick. But look, when it
Let's
does
go.
things like this, it does look good. It's just those wicks previously make me think too much about it. I'm just not a fan. I'll wait for like a certain level. Where's Maki, yo? Oh, yo, this is inverse H right here on the 1 hour. This could be a strong rally soon. Look,
Tesla's bro, those candles on Tesla just says it's gonna keep on shooting.
yeah, it's about to break 305.
Yeah.
You see what I just sent in the stock chat?
Yeah.
That's an inverse H on the bigger time frame, but it's gonna have to hold. SPX is about to break 4100, which it kind of did on the
That
app.
looks pretty cool. It's just so slow, man. That's why I prefer those market open plays that Norm was talking about.
Scaling out
Tesla
here.
got a crazy, nice little wall at 305.
If I took Netflix at where I was looking at, I'd be up 20 cents on the contract, and now I'd be almost break even.
Wow. Wow.
Those contracts, man.
SPX moved like $200 in the past couple minutes.
I just got out of SPY there. That was solid. I wanted
It
that
was, right?
410 break, but
Yeah, those are the candles you want to be a part of.
yeah. I don't know. I
Oh,
was in it for
break
too
out?
long. I just
Yeah.
wanted to get out.
Okay.
Yo, it's actually.
And it's 21% on it right now. So my favorite.
Nice.
Nice.
I got out so early, bro. I'm soft.
When did you get
Be
out?
careful, bro. It's right at that 5 minute trend. If you throw it on the 5 minute, it's right at a trend.
Yeah, I also.
Yeah, I
That's
see
why
that.
I got out as well. I had room to, like,
I wasn't
literally
even
right
looking
where it's
at
at.
that trend. I just didn't like the 1 minute trend.
Look at that rejection right there.
Yeah, that's like homeless.
That's homeless.
So
Alright, guys. So here is the SPY chart from yesterday. Now, I was originally looking at this 409.53 level due to the pre-market high we made. You can see we rejected at 409.53. Apologize. Market just closed. So you can see we rejected here at 409.53 pre-market. So I had written down, I was looking at the 409.53 break into 410, and then I had room to 410.72, 410.80, and then 411. You can see we made a high here at 411.73, and then we pretty much used up our whole range for the day. You can see here I took a half position at this momentum push into 409.50 for an early entry. Now I could have played this a little bit better because we were at the top VWAP on NQ and ES, and we did get a pretty strong rejection on NQ. You can see in the bottom left corner of my screen on the screen recording, you can see NQ pulling back. Now we got a pullback on NQ from 12,783 all the way back to 12,760, and you can see that really didn't affect SPY a whole lot. So I was basing my stop loss on the strength of SPY compared to NQ. Now, if we started giving up levels on SPY like we were giving up levels on NQ, I would have been out. But given the fact that we were holding pretty strong compared to NQ, I was using this uptrend as my stop loss. And the reason I could have a little bit of a looser stop loss like that is because I was only in with about half of my original planned position size. So I added again here on this 409.50 break, and we actually did push through 409.53, but we just did not get the move that I was looking for, and we actually pushed through this as NQ was still pulling back. Now, if you go back and look at the screen recording, you can see as soon as we started getting a green candle on NQ and started inverse Hing, which is basically just a bull flag, we were already making highs on SPY. So what I was really looking for was a hold above 409.50 so we could get that momentum through 409.53. Now you can actually see here the first candle we closed above 409.53, we pushed all the way up to 409.80, and that is where I scaled out of my first portion of my contracts. So I scaled out of 20 contracts here, and then I scaled out of my other 20 contracts at 410, and on this candle we pushed up to 410.02. So I pretty much got peak sell on the second half of my contracts there. I'm very glad that I took my profits there and wasn't greedy and waiting for more, because what I ended up doing, now I did not get this on recording, but you can see here that first SPY trade made a total of $600 on that. Now my trade Zella for some reason is not counting in the commissions, so this ended up really being about $570 if I remember correctly, but a 12.15% trade. I was in with $4,900. You can see here I bought 20 contracts at 941, bought 20 more contracts at 943, sold 20 contracts at 947, sold 20 more contracts at 948. So you can also see that here on the chart. I bought my first batch of contracts right here, added here, scaled out here at around 409.80, and scaled out the rest here at pretty much exactly 410. So I feel like I handled this trade pretty well. Like I said, I was able to have a more lenient stop loss than people may be able to have, just because of the fact that I was sized in properly, which is one of my rules that I write down at the top of my notebook every single day. Keep a smart stop loss with proper sizing. So if I'm in too heavy, I would have had to cut that trade way earlier than I wanted to, and I wouldn't have been able to let the trade actually play out. So that is why I have that rule, and I write it down every single day, every single morning. I did take another scalp on SPY here, where I basically just scalped the inverse H or bull flag, whatever you want to call it. I scalped that through the 410 break, so you can see I bought 10 contracts here right at 410, and we were just kind of grinding up. And once we pushed through 410, we went all the way up to 410.24, and I sold all 10 contracts here at a price of $152 per contract. It was another 9.35% trade, $1,300 position size. You can see my fills down here once again. And yeah, total for the day was 730, not counting commissions. Counting commissions, the total for the day was $687. So having a pretty good month so far in September. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure you subscribe to the channel and click that bell notification. Have a good rest of your week. Peace.